Welcome everyone to the Crypto Corner, where we discuss all things crypto. I'm your host, the Green Hornet, with your liquidation levels for February 26, 2026. Everyone, we track the liquidation levels of BTC so that we can unlock the volatility of the market, which hopefully leads to unemotional actions in this market. Guys, if we can remove the emotion, we can remove the noise, right? So let's get to it and let's see exactly what we can remove today that will be causing us to make unemotional or emotional decisions in the market, everyone, okay? All right, so let's see what we have. Guys, I'm going to be covering ETH and BTC, so stick with me. This will be a 10-12 minute video just to let you know. We'll cover a few other things from the BTD Discord that I think you guys should see that Mike's created, but also something he's added onto his plate daily that I think brings a lot of value to the Discord. I know the members are really loving it. I've got great feedback from the Discord. So let's get into it, everyone. After yesterday's 9% move up on BTC, we've had a pullback, and you can see it's a healthy pullback. We're sitting right at around 50%. If I pull a fib here, you can see that we're sitting right around the 50% mark, which is right there. Actually, a little bit further than the 50% mark. Okay? So a nice healthy pullback. What do we get from here, everyone? Where do we go from here? It is Friday. Guys, let me get this off the chart real quick. It is a Friday, everyone. We're leading into the weekend, so be careful with your longs. Mike actually put that out on the Discord earlier yesterday when people were trying to ape in when all this excitement came into the market yesterday, again on that 9 or 10% move on Bitcoin, 15% move on ETH. That will drive excitement in the market, okay? So that's what we're doing here. That's why we are here, everyone. That's the value of BTD's Discord. That's the value to these liquidation levels here and what I'm covering. I'm trying to provide some consistency through the day and in crypto that you can apply on a daily basis, and hopefully this unlocks the volatility of the market and helps you on a daily basis, everyone. Okay. All right. So let's get into it. If you're just here for the blue box, grab it and go if you'd like. But you're gonna miss the ETH. You have to stay here to the end to get the ETH levels, everyone. Or you can just speed the video up. That's okay too. Watch it on 1.5, everyone. It's easy enough to do that. Right. All right. So 24-hour liquidations, 242 million, 71 million of that coming from BTC. And 64 million coming from ETH. So pretty much split right there. 1 hour rec right around $5 million. That was taken about 10 minutes ago, everyone. You can see this new power token right here was launched in December. It's the power protocol. When I woke up this morning, that liquidation level I did on it had right at $15 million in liquidations. Another 3 throughout the day today. Okay, so that's something that come out and pumped really good, and then it had a pullback, and I'm guessing everyone thought they were going to try to short it, and it just kept going, and it ran up and liquidated a lot of shorts is what it looked like, so a short squeeze essentially. Okay, so let's get into the levels. It's the 100X is sitting at 69,457, you can see. The 50X is sitting at 70,129. Guys, if you have questions on the chart at the end of the video, I have a video that explains in detail what we're doing here and how to utilize this chart. The 25X is sitting at 71,521. On the lower side of the price action, you can see the 100X is sitting at 65,905. The 50X is sitting at 65,233, and the 25X is sitting at 63,930. Okay, so keep in mind the levels right here. Let me update these just a little bit. This is a moving metric right here, but from the current price action, a move up of 4.23% would grab. It's actually a little bit more. Let me clean that up. 4.37 will grab the 100 and 50X lines. A simple move down of 4.9% would grab the 100 at... Guys, I'm sorry. Let me clean that up. I'm giving you bad data there. A move down of 2.95% would grab the 150X line. Okay? Again, the 25x lines have a spread of 12.99%. Remember, they were right around 16 or 17 this morning, so they have started contracting. What do we get in the morning? When I drop the video in the morning, make sure you watch, okay? Because if this has moved down to 9 or 10% in the morning, expect a highly volatile move in the morning sometime. I know Jane Street's no longer in crypto, but this 10 a.m. Liquidation event that we normally get daily, I don't think it's going I don't think it's going anywhere. Okay, everyone. I know they're going to get stuck with a lot of the manipulation in the market, and that's great. It will probably bring in retail if you are retail. Be cognizant of that, everyone. When you come in, find yourself a community. That's what we're doing here. Okay. So, let's see. Let's move on. What do we have next? Oh yeah, I did. This is something I wanted to show you guys. If it will load up. If you guys were interested in Mike's daily show, I'm sure you guys know Mike's daily show. If you don't know, I want you to go and check him out here at BTD Crypto. Go to the YouTube channel, etc. What I wanted to point out that Mike dropped yesterday was an explanation of Jane Street. And guys, go read on the page here that he had. You can see when you get down to it, there it is right here. He put a very good explanation with some dates and walked you through exactly what it was. So go check that out, everyone, if you'd like. It's a great read. It gives you a good background of exactly what happened from someone that was here in the previous cycle. Okay, so go grab that. Next, guys, the Crypto Corner Terminal. This is something that Mike's created for the Discord. This is my personal one that I created and moved my widgets around how I wanted them, then press save up here. This is going to be something free, everyone, that he does for the people in the Discord. So if you're looking for a community, everyone, I think you're going to find hard pressed to find a community that has the value that this one has. Okay, so go grab that. That's over at the Crypto Corner Terminal. Go hang out in the Discord, ask questions about it. We'd be glad to answer any that you may have. All right, guys. Next is his website. Go check out btddcrypto.com. That's a one-stop shop for everything we have going on here, from an introduction into who Mike is to his indicator, which is awesome. It's killing it right now, everyone. The Discord also. You can see he has a premium channel in there for people that want more trading and want to up their trading skills. But the general Discord is free, and you can see some of the stuff we're going to cover here in just a minute on that. I want to cover something real quick before we get to Ethereum, everyone. Let me get it pulled up here on the Discord. Something I thought that he has done really great here on the Discord is I'm on the wrong channel. Well, you can see some of the wins there people are showing, but in the general section here, I think he's going to start this on his routine every morning, everyone, and something I think you can really get a lot of value of. If you guys that are normal here that didn't catch it, he's going to start doing the lessons of the day. Guys, go find the value that he drops here, or this Discord gives you at no cost. I don't believe you're going to find the value that you receive here. So everyone go hang out in this Discord. Go give it a try. I want to read through this message real quick. Lesson of the day. Compression before expansion. Why quiet charts lead to big moves. Guys, ain't that what we're talking about? When it gets really boring, everything compresses and then it expands. And that's what we're doing here on the liquidation charts, right? He says volatility moves in cycles. Markets do not move at the same speed all the time. After a strong trend, price often slows down, tightens up before the next major move. Now, guys, is that move up or down? We don't know that, right? We can start tracking. We can track the indicators. We can look and see what the market's giving us to maybe give us some pointers at what's going to happen. But most of the time, after you get expansion, guys, take your profit, sit on the sideline, let the market shake out, give you some indications of what's coming, and then make a decision on getting back in the market. Tight ranges build pressure. Guys, you can go and check this out. Lower volume can be a clue. That's right. Like if you're getting a move up with low volume, guess what that might mean? That might be a fake pump, or vice versa on the way down. Fake breakdowns are common. Short squeezes above the range or stop hunts below it often happen before the real move begins. Patience matters. There's the big key there, everyone. Patience. The move after the move. The best trade often comes after the breakout on the first pullback. Let the market show direction before committing size. So, guys, do you understand what he said there? Let the market show what it's going to do, and then you commit your size. That means he's already started layering into whatever trade he has, and once he gets validation of the direction, then he'll commit the size to it. Okay, so guys, go give this Discord a look, hang out in it if you're new to it. If you've not noticed this right here, I think this is something you guys are going to love. Okay. So go hang out, go do that. Guys, let me know if you like the flow of what I'm doing here, just simply in the chat, or you can just DM me, and that's fine as well. I want to keep these videos short, but I do want them to be good information and me kind of highlighting the Discord as well, everyone, okay? So that's something that let me know if there's more information you'd want and less advertising, okay? Let me say it like that. All right, so let's get back to the Ethereum charts. And again, guys, this video will be dropped every night. The longer video will be at night. The one I drop in the morning will be more centered around a 3-minute video, probably, with just the details you're going to need for the day, the morning of. So it's going to be a little bit more focused. And the one at night, I'm going to cover where we are currently. What Asia may do tonight. Like you can see right now, we're setting up for, is Asia going to drop us tonight? Or we've had low volume. Pretty much we've bled the entire day. So what do we get? What do we have coming tomorrow, right? So if I click over here on the calendar, let's talk about that just for a second. I hope you guys are still here. This is what I want to do every evening in these videos, is cover the calendar for the next day. And what we have is the big thing for tomorrow is the US Bitcoin futures expiration. So what do we have coming with that? Guys, let's see what we get tomorrow. So the expiry for Bitcoin futures is tomorrow. The US PPI month over month, the US core PPI month over month, and the California GDP month over month. The large thing for tomorrow, everyone, is the Bitcoin futures here. What do we have coming up next week? You can see Monday we have ISM manufacturing, right? Expectation, the previous is 59, and I don't see the forecast here. Normally they'll have a forecast. Maybe they'll have that updated coming in to the weekend. We shall see, okay? Guys, if you like this is Crypto Craft. It's free. Go check it out. And let's see exactly what we got here with Ethereum now, everyone. We'll close out and get ready for the night. Everybody have a good get ready for their work day tomorrow. I'm going to do the same, but let's see what we have here. All right, hope you guys can see that. All right, so liquidation levels, very little change today. You can see it almost came down and hit our 100x level. I was very happy with the way the lines worked out today. It pretty much provided some support right here where we had our line drawn, right? And it hasn't actually moved yet, right? So the likelihood of them coming down and grabbing these lines are very likely. You can see I did not update the chart here on that. I apologize, everyone. You're going to just have to hang with I'll tell you what, I'll pull it up. I may have to just do some. Oh, that's not too bad. All right, there you go. So here's the lines here. Let's see what that updated level is here. All right. So a move up of 5.67% will grab the 100x and 50x lines, and a move down of 5.16%. So it's fairly well balanced, everyone. Let's see what the 25x line is, sitting at 20.65%. So it's closed down right around 5%. You can see I highlighted there's a large order right here of $362 million in ETH. Okay, that's right around the 2085, which lines up right where I'm at. Okay, so that's some good indications there that this is probably going to get taken here. Is it a wick up before it comes down, or vice versa, a wick down and then we come up and get it? I don't really know, guys. It would not surprise me for us to get one of these candles right here that in a 4 hour candle that will take both of these 100x leverage liquidation lines out. That's what I would be um, um, planning for tomorrow at some point, guys. It is Friday. Let's see what they give us for the weekend, guys. There's gonna be opportunities, but try to pick the times with the high volume in it. Let the direction show itself. Take profits. Be aggressive on your take it profit if you're trading. If you're investing, everyone. Um, it's one of those brainless DCA areas. Like Mike talked about that today on his live stream. Go back and check that out, guys. I'll pin it on the end of this video if I can. If not, go and check it out on his YouTube channel. And, it's some great information there. I know he talked about that a while tonight about he's reached a level where he's got confirmations where I don't want to speak for him, so you guys go check that out. It's one of those brainless DCA terms that he talks about. Okay, so everyone, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Let me know if you'd like a little bit more information. This is a little bit longer than normal. I'm going to try to keep these to about 15 minutes. I'm going to cover a little bit of news for the next day, the news of the day, that kind of stuff. I'm going to cover the liquidation levels, where we are, get you lined up for tomorrow. I will do another video first thing in the morning. They will be short and sweet, maybe a 2 or 3 minute video at best. Okay, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, everyone. If you're watching on another platform, simply slap the screen, hit that like button, do all the great things that help us drive the algorithm. We certainly would appreciate it. It costs you nothing, everyone. It's just a way for you to support us, and we certainly do appreciate it. Guys, I am the Green Hornet here. I'm signing off. I end all my videos with Snap and Clear. If you don't know what Snap and Clear is, reach out to me in the comments. I'd love to explain it to you. Guys, till the next one, Snap and Clear.